Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Otter AI password. For that this is our Otter AI, and to reset its password, just go and open your browser. There you need to type AI/forgot password and tap on source button and go to their first website, and this is that website, and then it will take you to this website. Here you need to enter your email address and tap on send reset link button, and then you'll have to go and check your Gmail for that, and just when you receive that reset link, just tap on reset now button and it will take you to a website from where you can reset your password. Just follow the prompts, whatever they say, just follow it, enter your new password and confirm it with just enter your new password and again enter the same new password, and like that, and tap on submit button, and that is how you can reset your Otter AI password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.